Three reasons why investing early makes a big difference. Number one, it gives you benefit of time. Sa usaping saving and investing kasi, ang pinakakakampi natin is yung oras. Kahit maliit yung simulan mong i-save or i-invest, the longer the time, the more na mag-grow yung money for you. Number two, you can provide a better future for your family. Especially kapag meron ka ng mga anak. Kasi if you started saving and investing early, darating yung panahon, when it comes to education nila, you can also give them a very good kind of education. Yung tipong hindi na kailangan na hindi nila makuha yung kurso na gusto nila kasi napaghandaan mo yun ng maaga. Number three, it relieves financial stress and you can afford to retire early. So, hindi mo kailangan maghabol kung kailan malapit ka nang mag-retire. And even hindi ka 60 years old, pwede kang mag-retire ng maaga. Just remember to start early kasi kahit gaano kaliit na halaga, basta nasa tamang investment vehicle, in time, lalaki at lalaki yan. Sasabi mo sa sarili mo na thank yourself kasi nag-start ka. So, start small, do it consistently, and most importantly, start